Hello, how is it going? It's me, Myra here, and today we have a treat for ice cream lovers. Magnum Ruby Collection. New chocolate experience, made with ruby cocoa beans. This is the new chocolate ice cream made by Magnum, and apparently it's ruby chocolate pink. Let's see how it looks like. Pop it open. There we go. Unboxing. No smell. Look at that. Look at that. It's pink. Never seen a color like this before. Like this chocolate. It's not like fruit ice cream. It's chocolate, but it's pink. Smells like, not quite like chocolate, but similar. There's a twist to it. Okay, enough talking. Let's take a bite. ASMR. Interesting. Really interesting. What is this flavor? It's like a little bit like white chocolate, but there's this berry flavor to it, like a little bit like strawberry. I don't know how to explain it. The ice cream inside, it's a regular Magnum ice cream, but this layer, really interesting flavor. It's good, really good. Let's see what it's made from. Let's look at the nutrients first. 28 sugar per 100. Let me see if you can see that. Yeah, here we go. Pause the video if you need to. This is the nutrients. So 28 sugar per 100. I think that's a little bit above average of the ice creams. Usually it's like 25 or close to 20. And protein is only 4.6. So I think this ruby chocolate is not as healthy, but it tastes much sweeter than the normal chocolate. But it tastes good. Ooh, and there is some kind of red thing inside the ice cream as well, not just the layer. You see? There's something red over there. I think it's ruby flavor as well. Now what is this ruby chocolate? Let's see what it's made from. A combination of white chocolate ice cream, raspberry swirl and ruby couverture chocolate for a new Magnum chocolate experience. So yeah, I was right. It tastes a little bit like white chocolate with this ruby flavor mix. And inside it's raspberry. Not so big fan of raspberry, to be honest. Maybe it would have been better if it was just regular vanilla ice cream inside, or maybe like strawberry. It's a little bit like that cherry blossom chocolate, you know, the Kit Kat pink one, Sakura chocolate that they sell in Japan. A little bit same kind of flavor. But is it better than regular Magnum? I don't think so. I think it's a good experience to try for one time or two times, but the other Magnum ice creams are much superior in my opinion. So yeah, I think I would give this rating like let's give it an 8 out of 10. Because it's really good. But the normal Magnum ice creams are like 9 out of 10 or 10 out of 10, but this is only 8 out of 10. But still much better than other ice cream brands. Like Magnum is still the best. This is really good. Oh, what a big chunk. If it had better inside flavor without raspberry, it will tap in 8.5.10. But yeah, thank you for watching interview Magnum Ruby, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also check out my main channel. I put it somewhere like here, and there's videos here and videos here and videos here, and down below description you can check out my social medias. Thanks for watching, and go to taste this ice cream. It's really nice experience. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.